Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log into your AliExpress app on your phone. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First thing first, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet and download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Once you're in the app, you will see this interface. Now in order to log in, you need to go to the account section. So here you can see the account icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on it. In this page, you can see the option sign in or register. Tap on it. Now you will be prompted to the login page. Here you can see different options to log into your AliExpress account. Now choose the options from which you created your account before. And here you can enter your registered email address. Once you enter your email address, you need to enter your password too. And now you will be logged into your AliExpress account on your smartphone. You can now start browsing through millions of products, add items to your cart, and enjoy shopping at your own fingertips. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.